Hey there, this is Penelope. This is the 10th video in a series of short videos covering off the questions for Test 2, 2020 for MG5004, DE5418. Now, question 10 is again, like question 9, a very basic question in that it's just a standard volume question. You are given the function like that. Now, just using the formula that the volume, the mean volume, so this is not a volume formula, this is a mean formula. And half a cycle, you needed to know that it was half a cycle of 0 to pi. Take the 100 out. And the integral of sine is negative cos. Between 0 and pi. Do the number crunching. And the bit in the brackets should be 2. So approximately 63, 64.